In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore or recover closed tabs in Google Chrome. We've all been there. You're working with several tabs open, you accidentally close one, or even the whole window, and suddenly you lose a page you really needed. The good news is, Chrome has a few built-in ways to bring those tabs back quickly. And once you know where to look, it only takes a couple of seconds. Let's start with the simplest and most common method. If you just closed a tab and want it back, look toward the top of your Chrome window where your tabs are. Anywhere in that tab bar, right-click with your mouse. In the menu that appears, you should see an option that says, Reopen Closed Tab, or sometimes Restore Closed Tab. Click that, and the last tab you closed will pop back open, right where it was. You can repeat this same action multiple times to bring back several tabs in the order you closed them. So if you accidentally closed a bunch of tabs one after another, just keep right-clicking on the tab bar and choosing Reopen Closed Tab until you've recovered what you need. There's also a handy keyboard shortcut that does the same thing and is often even faster. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and T together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and T. Each time you use this shortcut, Chrome will reopen the most recently closed tab. Press it again, and it will reopen the one before that, and so on. This is really useful if you prefer using your keyboard, or if you closed an entire window by mistake and want all of those tabs back. Now, what if the tab you're looking for was closed a while ago, or you can't remember exactly when you closed it? In that case, you can check your browsing history. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the main menu. Hover over History or click History, and you'll see a list of recently closed tabs and windows. Here you can click on any page to open it again. If you need something from earlier, you can open the full history page and scroll or search for the site you're trying to recover. Keep in mind that if you've cleared your browsing data, or if your browser is set not to save history, some of these options may not show older tabs. But for most people, these methods will quickly bring back tabs you've closed by accident. And that's how you restore and recover closed tabs in Google Chrome.